Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve coding knowledge with Udacity, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Udacity website in your web browser. Create an account if you don't already have one. Take a moment to explore the various courses available on the platform. Identify which area of coding you want to focus on, such as web development, data science, or mobile app development. Once you've selected a field, filter courses by skill level to find options that suit your current knowledge. Enroll in a beginner course if you're new to coding, or choose an advanced course if you have some experience. Review the course syllabus to understand the topics you'll learn. Make a study schedule to ensure you dedicate consistent time each week for learning. Begin working through the course materials at your own pace. As you progress, take notes on important concepts and coding practices. Utilize the hands-on projects provided in each course to apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. Engage with the community through Udacity forums to ask questions and share insights. Seek feedback on your projects from mentors or peers to improve your skills. Consider completing additional courses to broaden your expertise in the coding field. Set learning goals to keep yourself motivated and accountable. Regularly revisit previously learned material to solidify your understanding. Stay updated on the latest industry trends by following tech blogs and forums outside of Udacity. Apply for internships or freelance projects to gain practical experience. Reflect on what you've learned and adjust your learning plan as needed for continued growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.